All right, so I'm gonna install the fuel tank, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use these 1x1 bars, square tubing, and I'm gonna bolt it on the top, and then I'll build like a basket to hold the fuel tank in, and then off the top of the bar, there'll be a piece of flat plate, uh, flat bar, and then that flat bar will hold the tank in the basket. So once I get it done, I will redo the video, but that's the fuel cell over there, and it shouldn't be too bad. Anyways, that's where I'm at. All right, this is the basket that I built for the fuel tank. So she's pretty tight as far as putting the fuel tank in there, and I'll do another video kind of showing it sitting in there. But this is what I've done. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'll probably drill a hole right here, and then I'll run a bolt through here. That way this thing can be lifted out of there. But that is where I'm at, people. All right. So you can see here that the fuel cell fits. It's nice, just a little bit up there. As far as the height right here, I wanted about 1/8 of an inch. And then I'll probably put a piece of plate here, right through here. And then this is about probably where I'll bolt it. Same with this guy, and here and here. So I think all in all, that turned out pretty good. It looks like it's gonna work. All right, bye.